Well, what's going on, YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do, and this is a super exciting video to make. If only 2013 me had heard me say that. This is an unboxing, and by the title of the video, there's no like beating around the bush. You already know what it is. We have our Verizon agreement, and you can see the cost there of $799 that it's going to be. This is the 256 gigabyte iPad mini 6th generation. This is exciting because as someone who flies a drone and wants a bigger screen, this is something I can use when I am outside flying my drone. It's something I can use to play games and do apps that require a tablet, or don't necessarily require it, but they work better in a tablet mode. And this one will do it. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm not going to waste any time with this video. This is just the unboxing and just a first glimpse, first look of this experience. So there's that. We'll pull that out. We've got some stuff in here. We've got the charging cable and the charging brick. And this is what's so exciting to me. As someone who carries a Pixel 5, which uses a Type-C port, and someone that has an iPhone 12 that uses Lightning, I want all of my devices to use Type-C. I will upgrade my iPhone 12 to the next iPhone that has Type-C, and I will stay on that one for a while because I want all my phones to have the same connector. So this is awesome that this uses Type-C, and it is 20 watts of power. So that is a very quick charge for a tablet. There are faster out there, but hey, 20 watts is way better than 5 watts or 10 watts. And then there's nothing else in here. So in here we got like some books and stickers and instructions that we won't ever read. And then let's take a look at the actual tablet itself. Wow, that is quite nice. That looks great. Look at that. Look at that. Actually, let's get a nice thumbnail. All right, so first look at the tablet. We've got our volume up and down. We've got our little button there with the fingerprints scanner on it. We've got some stuff there. And that Type-C port, which is exciting. Let's turn this thing on. Let's do it. Wow, that was a very quick process. United States. It says bring my phone near it, so check that out. It's already got my email up on this one, and it wants me to set up this, so gosh, they couldn't have made this a much easier process than that. And it wants me to do my code. And while that's happening, I want to unbox this pencil. So actually, while that's happening, let's show my daughter's iPad right here. This is the 5th generation, and it's got the home button. It's got the giant like bezels. You know, it's a tablet that is a good little tablet, but it's now replaced by this. And this has a pencil where you have to charge it by connecting it to the bottom of here and then charging it. So not very convenient. Let's go ahead and set up Touch ID. Wow, that's pretty easy. Okay. Almost done. Lift and rest the finger on the top of the button repeatedly. Yes, let's continue with another finger. And while that's happening, let's unbox this Apple Pencil. This is the 2nd generation one that uses the side of the tablet to charge. Much easier and much more convenient. All right. How does this open? All right, while that's restoring, I keep saying it, but we're actually doing it now. Here's the Apple Pencil 2. We don't need like a tip to lose or keep track of because it just brings itself to the side of the tablet and charges. Oh, that's actually, wow. I could not believe how that's on there. Like that is on there. Look at this. I am holding just the pin. That's it. It has enough strength. That is so freaking cool. All right, let's let this process happen. This is going to be on a data plan, so along with my phone, I will have LTE because this is a little tablet that I can fit in my pocket and carry with me on the go, and I can have the tablet UI inside games that I play and apps that I use. And here's why I wanted the 8-inch over like an iPad Pro or something. This is my Galaxy Tab 6 that I've had for I don't know. Well, actually, I do know because I'm literally one payment away from paying it off. I've had it for 2 years now. It has been a great tablet overall. The only problem with it is if it has LTE, which I will be turning off soon because I don't ever use it. But if I'm out somewhere, I have to put this under the seat of my car if I'm fixing to go in somewhere, or I have to have it in my hand the whole time, or I have to carry a backpack with me. I need somewhere to either carry it or to hold it the whole time. And with something this size, it's a lot more portable than this. And this actually will fit in my pocket. So while I do enjoy this and I do enjoy using the pen and like signing something that I need to sign or whatever I need to do, I'm excited to have my own little tablet here. Look at that. It's so cute. Let's turn off the Wi-Fi. And now we're on Verizon's 5G. I went to hit a home button, so I used my daughter's little tablet. All right, so this does not have the 5G that my area where I live currently has. It will not pick up indoors, but outside, which I will show you in a minute, I get 5G ultra wideband. That is the biggest bummer about this tablet, is I have that signal that I can use outside or in my car when I'm driving, but inside, I mean, I have Google Fiber, so I have really fast Wi-Fi anyway. But that is one of the most frustrating things about this is it doesn't have the millimeter wave, the really, really fast ultra wideband. So this is going to be restoring all my stuff, and there's the pencil. So welcome to Apple Pencil. Continue. Try Scribble. Josh, you saw the mountains. That's pretty cool. Continue. Explore double tap. Double tap the Apple Pencil. Double tap? What do you double tap? Is there a button? I don't know if this has a button. So, right? Double tap on your Apple Pencil to switch between the tool. It has a button. I legit don't know how to use this thing. Double tap. Alright, whatever. I'll figure it out later. But yeah, that's pretty neat. So, and it tells you what your battery was up there. Alright, I'm stepping outside my apartment. And I will go to the outside world. The scary outside world. And let me just pick up my pace. And all right, let's see what. Come on, turn on phone. I'm gonna try to keep this as unedited as possible. So I have to go closer to the main road. If I lived in this building down here, I'd probably pick it up just fine. But here in just a second, you're gonna see the ultra wide. I don't know exactly where the signal's coming from. I don't know if it's closer to my left, my right, or what. But I do know that if I really want to upload something really, really fast, here, you can't see much. Here's the road. Right now, that should turn to an ultra wideband. Yep, there we go. So, speed test. And okay, so that's all right. I've seen it in excess of 2,000. That's ultra wideband, and my apartment's just down there. So now I do have to edit this out. 1 second. All right, so I actually don't have that app installed, but I do not have ultra wideband on this thing. All right, so what am I gonna get? Since I don't have the app, I'm just using the Safari version. Yeah, that's absolutely nothing like what I was getting with ultra wideband, obviously. So that is one of the biggest bummers, is that this does not support the same internet that my iPhone 12 Pro does. But yeah, there you go. 5G, using internet on my tablet without Wi-Fi. That's the biggest thing for me, is just being able to use internet and having okay speeds. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos of this thing, let me know in the comments below. I will be using this thing. I'm going to include a quick video of a speed test using ultra wideband literally outside my apartment, and then what I get on here, which is not going to be the same, obviously, because it doesn't support those bands. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. This is What Would Josh Do? And I'm out.